One thing that you needed to do forever and you haven't done it yet. Well, this beast is mine. This comes up to what? My crotch-ish?
As far as...
How high?
Higher than that.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm 5'2", and it had a bunch of dead shit, which I dragged my feet and Big Ed took care of. But this thing's a beast, and it's pokey. It's a Sago palm, and we're going to repot it. Here we go. Yeah, I have a feeling it's root bound. We should have done it a year ago, and we didn't, because it's a beast and it's pokey.
We did transplant it because this looks like fresh dirt.
It's like 2 years ago. Okay, so the thing when you get a great big pot, and it's been in a smaller pot for a while, is the same way with bedding plants in the spring. The roots start to come down, and then they start to wrap around. So I did mine. I just took a weeding tool and literally poked into the dirt, and I've got Ed doing his side. So what I want to do is I'm breaking up some of that root so it stops wanting to just circle, right? And then that way it spreads its feet, you know, like this, and kind of grows out like it's supposed to. So all we're literally doing is poking a weeding tool into the dirt to stop the memory, like the muscle memory, the root memory, and stop it from just twirling and being root bound. And I have a whole bunch of new little things growing off the sides. I don't know if they're connected. I don't know. I've had this thing for, God, what, Ed? 6-7 years?
Longer than that.
And he can't kill it. I think he's tried. It's went a whole winter in the garage, and he maybe... Oh, there we go.
Popped it off the side.
It's a bulb. And I think it went a whole winter in the garage and never got watered in an unheated garage. And to his dismay, it was still living. So, oh yeah, they're bulbs.
If they're connected to the base, I don't know if it's going to hurt to pull them off.
I wouldn't think it would. So, we're going to go ahead and finish this job.
I found a wood stick behind you.
Uh-huh. Okay, so here's the difference in the pots. So, quite a bit. Now, I also had some babies growing. So, and they were barely connected. That's how it was connected onto the other plant. And that's how this one was connected. That one's connected a little bit better. So, all he did was kind of pull them off. But they were growing along the whole outer edge. You could see kind of where he scarred it. This one might be attached to another bulb, but it's further down. So we're not going to pull it. He's going to go get the dirt. I'm going to go ahead and finish filling it. It still lives. We had to take some dead stuff off just from it growing and doing its thing. I keep it outside all the time in the summertime because Indiana gets hot, and then in the winter I bring it in. I used to put it on in my unheated garage, and it weathered just fine. In the winter, I'd have a little bit more dead stuff. So if you're in Indiana and you have a Sago palm, it is possible to keep them. We did have to trim it up. Thankfully, I did that. Guys, this thing is just pokey. I mean, it'll, you know, if you get too close to the base of it, or even right here, it's just massively pokey. But it grows from here, from the middle, and then new shoots come up. So we're going to get off here, finish this. It's the bane of my existence, but I always hate to kill it. Be good and kind to each other. Hit subscribe, hit like. Talk to you soon. Get those projects done. Don't be like me.